Zoe. Yeah. Yeah. Don't bite Ivanka's toes. She's already full. She doesn't know what to do. She wants food, toes, water. So he doesn't know what to do. He's playing with her toy. Where's your toy? Zoe likes the camera more. Hey, don't bite your shed. What are you biting? This is just day 2 with Zoe. She's doing great. Potty training and susu training is on. Don't bite this. Eat your food. Come on. Yeah, eat your food. This is the food we are giving her. Let me show you guys. This is the Royal Canin puppy food. We just got her into the yard and she's playing over here. She mostly does her pee outside, but sometimes in the house too. Can't help it. She's a puppy. There's a learning curve with a puppy always. Zoe, don't eat any rubbish. Come on, make a susu. The grass is a little wet actually with the morning dew. It's about 8 a.m. now, so she just wants to play. She doesn't want to do her business, but hopefully she will. As she's a puppy without all vaccinations, we don't want to take her on the road and somewhere far because she can get some infection. Now Zoe. And now after all this playing, she's gonna sleep like all puppies and babies do. They sleep mostly the whole day. Come on, let's go in the sun. Let's go in the sun. Come here, Zoe. Let's go in the sun. So yeah, it's been interesting with Zoe. This is now day 2. She had 2 nights with us. She sleeps very well in the night. No trouble. As the lights go off, she sleeps well in her bed. No issues at all. But when she's awake, it's non-stop action. Alright guys, please subscribe to this channel if you like these kind of videos. And I may even make a new channel with Zoe. She's eating some leaf which I should stop, so let me log off now. Bye, take care.